So today we are so as per the demands of lot of customers to conduct a live cooking demo. So we will start the demonstration now. So first of all, may I know are there any people who are trying or they are willing to cook along with us? So also we are recording this entire demonstration. So once the call is done, we will be sharing the video as well. So later on, whenever you are trying to cook along, you can just follow the video and you can start the process. So already we have weighed the ingredients and we have kept it ready. Without wasting any time, we will just start with the demonstration. I feel that everyone is aware about the external and internal features of the machine, like the jar or how to use the chef magic. I hope everyone is aware. If someone is not aware, for not operate to for opening and closing of the lid or to operate the entire system, please just let us know, because we will start with that. Or either if everyone is aware about the features, then we will directly start with the cooking. Yeah, I hope so. We will start with the cooking now. So from the cloud recipes, I will directly search using the search bar Mysore Pak recipe. So now, as you know, the total portioning of the recipe is for 4 portions, is up to 4 to 6 people. And yes, so now we will directly run the recipe. So first step, the machine is asking us to attach the multifunction blade and add 70 grams of sift basin. So now we have already sifted the basin, and now directly we will be adding it to the cooking jar. So the cooking will happen, so it will just lightly roast the basin. We don't want the basin to be more brown. So we will just slightly roast it as per mentioned in the recipe. And the machine is asking me to secure the lid but the measuring cup to be removed. So I'll directly just press OK. So now the total time is of 2 minutes. So in this 2 minutes, the basin will be lightly roasted, and then we will move ahead and will follow the steps which the machine is asking you to do. So meanwhile, in this 2 minutes, you can just ask any queries or any questions do you have. So we will run this entire demonstration whenever whenever the process is happening. Meanwhile, we can do the question and answer series as well. So also I feel you are aware about the WonderChef app. So it's available on the App Store or Play Store. You can download it from there, and also you can meanwhile the cooking is happening, you can connect your mobile phone initially with the machine. So meanwhile the cooking is happening, you will get notified. So you just have to open the app, and all the process which is happening on the in the machine will appear on your mobile app also. So the next step is stir the basin in the jar, scrape the bottom using a spatula. So firstly I will just open the lid, and using this spatula which is provided with the Chef Magic, I'll just scrape down the bottom. So you just have to keep one thing in mind, is to follow the steps. First read the entire tip section, then follow the steps which the machine is asking you to do, and then only press OK. Whenever you are completing the process, only at that time you have to press OK, so the machine will move towards the another step. And also there are sensors in the machine. So even if the blade is not fixed properly, or the jar is not fixed properly, or the lid is not fixed properly, the machine will give an error. Just check these 3 things are properly fixed, and then you can similarly you can fix the error which the machine is showing. I have scraped. Now secure the lid and remove the measuring cup. So again the machine is asking me to secure the lid. I'll press OK. So it's around a 3 minutes process. I hope everyone is clear till now. So if someone wants to have a one-to-one demonstration, that is also available in future. If someone is facing any kind of queries related to the recipes or in general, so we have Chetan as well. He is a customer service guy, so you can directly connect with him. Also you can just connect with us, as we are also there on the community group which you also have been joined, so you can directly connect with us as well. So the roasting is been done. The next step is stir the basin from the jar with using the spatula, secure the lid and remove the measuring cup. So I'll just scrape the basin from the bottom. So here the error which I was talking about is, if I remove the jar, this is kind of a safety measure. If I just press OK, the machine won't start. It will give an error. I think it's not completely visible, but there is an error which the machine is popping up. So this is kind of a safety measure. As I said, if the blade is not fixed properly, or the jar is not fixed properly, or the lid is not fixed properly, the machine will give an error. So you just have to fix all the errors. And then if I again place the jar, and
we can also show people how the roasting is done. So this is how it's done. Also, scraping it down, it means the basin is not sticking at the bottom.
Again, I will just secure the lid. I have already removed the measuring cup. So usually, as you are aware, if you would have cooking this on a gas stove or flame, so your entire, so the process initial was of 2 minutes, then it was of 3 minutes, and then again now it is showing 3 minutes. So entirely approximately 8 to 9 minutes you would have been occupied, your hands would have been occupied for stirring the basin, which is the most important part. Even if a minute burning particle of a basin gets burned, entire recipe might get ruined. But now if I'm cooking on a in the Chef Magic, my hands are free. I'm getting that, like even if you get a 2 minute or 3 minute kind of a break from the recipe, you in that time you can do some other work. So this way you are just reducing your efforts, and the efforts are being taken care by the Chef Magic. So also in future, if you feel that you want some other recipes to be showcased live, you can just connect us through the community group, and you can just post whichever recipe which you feel that we should also cook, and you will be cooking along with us. That can also be taken care of. You just put up a message on the community group saying that yes, this recipe just needs to be tried with us, and we can do that as well.
Also, when you see a error popping up on the screen, you please read it carefully. There's always a solution given on it.
So the roasting is done, and the next step is remove the roasted basin in a bowl and add 100 grams of milk powder to it. Mix it well. Add 260 grams of melted ghee and whisk the mixture. So without wasting any time, I'll just...
As you can see, the basin is properly roasted. The jar is hot. Please handle carefully, and it's not stick at the bottom.
So we have already taken out 260 grams of melted ghee. So we'll just add the basin to it and milk powder to it.
As you can see, it's properly melted. So for this recipe, 260 grams of melted ghee. So I'm adding around 100 grams of milk powder.
And to it I will be adding the roasted basin. So we'll just quickly wash this jar up. Meanwhile,
just whisk a little so that there are no lumps in this. So when your ghee is melted, the mixture looks like this.
Yeah, so now we will keep this aside, and now the next step is to make the sugar syrup. So the next step is wash and wipe dry the jar, which we have already done. So it's asking me to attach the saute blade, which is already, the saute blade is already attached. Add 300 grams of sugar and 100 grams of water. So now I have added 300 grams. So we have given a precise measurement, that 300 grams or 30 grams. So it's not compulsory to always, because if you're making, so now here we can weigh sugar, we can weigh the basin or anything. But in some cases where if you're using any kind of onion, or you're using tomatoes, not every tomato or not every onion is of a precise size. So in that case, 10-15 grams here and there is absolutely fine. I'll just again, it's done. Now I'll just press OK. Again, making a sugar syrup, it's kind of a technical, it comes to a technical part where the temperature of sugar has to be precise. For example, if the temperature is not precise, the setting of the Mysore pak or any kind of dessert, usually sugar syrup is used in making of sweets or the desserts. So the sugar temperature has to be precise, where either you have to have a candy thermometer, which is usually used in cooking, or then you have to be that precise to check the temperature. But that is again taken care by the machine, because the recipes are preset. You can completely rely on the recipe and you can cook using the Chef Magic.
For every recipe in Chef Magic, we have given a precise quantity or measurements. So please read the recipe carefully before making any recipes.
I hope everyone is clear with like the using of the product, as we are not receiving any kind of queries. I think you are sure about the product as well. So, but if you feel any questions related to this recipe or related to any other recipe or any other feature of the machine, please do ask right now, because what happens is sometimes like there are much more queries which comes up on the community group, and sometimes because the number of people who have been joined the community group is a larger number, some queries might get missed, and result to that sometimes your query might not be questioned. So this is the chance you can ask the queries which you have. And on the community group also we are highly active, but in some scenarios it might get left. So either you can just connect with us, or you can directly connect with the customer service as well. I hope we are talking in English is comfortable with everyone, and if you feel that we should converse in Hindi also, we can do that as well. Just please let us know that you are just understanding all the process and the procedure which we are explaining. Hello sir, good evening. जी सर बोलिए.
मैडम मेरा डाउट है, चेफ मैजिक में आप जो आप आइटम डाल रहे हैं ना, कितना किलो तक पका सकते हैं मैडम?
Sir, up to 3 kgs you can cook, and also 3 kgs is somewhere up to 6 people. अगर आपके यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है तो आप वो 2 बैचेस में कुक कर सकते हो.
यस मैडम, फॉर एग्जांपल वेज हो जाए, नॉन वेज हो, जो भी कर सकते हैं.
जी जी. सो सर आप जार अगर देखोगे प्रॉपरली तो जार के अंदर मेजरमेंट्स है 1, 2 एंड 3. सो 1 is 1 kg, 2 is 2 kg, 3 is 3 kg, एंड वहाँ पे मैक्सिमम भी दिखाया है. सो अप टू मैक्सिमम 3 kg तक का मेजरमेंट्स आ जाता है.
ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल अब डीलर है ना मैडम, अब डीलर केजी ने जो 4 kg बनाया for 250 ग्राम.
ओके.
कर सकते हैं. तो 250 ग्राम कुक कर सकते हैं मैडम.
250 ग्राम्स आप क्या कुक कर रहे हो वो डिपेंड करता है सर.
फॉर एग्जांपल वेज कोई भी होगा, कॉलीफ्लावर करी हो जाए, जैसे चिकन करी हो जाए, जो भी हो, स्मॉल फैमिली के 250 ग्राम.
जी. सो सर नाउ वी हैव केम अप विद एन अपडेट जहाँ पे आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो फॉर 2 पोर्शंस, 4 पोर्शंस एंड 6 पोर्शंस. सो जो आपका 2 पोर्शंस है वो अराउंड 400 ग्राम्स तक का हो जाता है. सो 2 पोर्शंस के लिए 400 ग्राम्स ये सफिशिएंट है सर, एंड वो आप 2 लोगों के लिए या 4 या 6 लोगों के लिए आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. यस.
ये मैडम आटा हो जो भी आटा
यस.
आटा वो कितना किलो करना पड़ता है मैडम?
सर आटा इररिस्पेक्टिव एनी रेसिपी आप 3 किलो तक का बना सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अगर 2 किलो का आटा उसमें डाल रहे हो, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 700 से 800 ml वाटर लगेगा. तो जब वो मीनवाइल आप पानी बीच में भी ऐड कर सकते हो, बट वो अप टू 3 kgs तक हो जाएगा. हम ज़्यादा रेकमेंड क्यों नहीं करते सर, बिकॉज जब कुकिंग होती है इसमें जो ब्लेड कैपेसिटी है वो वही लेवल तक रीच होती है. सो द एडवाइजेबल जो लेवल है इज़ अप टू 3 kgs. आप ज़्यादा उसमें कुक कर सकते हो, बट आपको फिर वो बार बार स्टर करना पड़ेगा अगर आप कुकिंग कर रहे हो तो.
कोई डाउट था मैडम?
ओके सर. So ये sugar syrup जो है it's ready. Now the next step is using a spatula check the consistency of sugar syrup. So it should be a one string. So as you can see it's creating a string. So the next step is add prepared besan mix. So we will just simply add the besan mix to the jar.
जब एग्जैक्टली आपकी चाशनी रेडी हो जाए उसके बाद आप ये बेसन मिक्सचर जार में डाल सकते हैं.
So it's asking me to remove the measuring cup. In the next step or in the current step, if the machine is not asking you to do anything, you can just simply using the back arrows, you have to press OK. Using the back arrows, just check what was previous instruction was given by the machine and you can just follow the simple step. The total process is of 1 minute and the next step it will be adding the melted ghee to the cooking jar. Meanwhile, the machine is on. You can add. I hope everyone will be trying the Mysore Pak recipe as it is one of our finest recipe which we have made till now. So we have found an error, but this is again a good part where we can show you, for example, if there is a power failure at your place and now similarly as power connection got discontinued, so here you don't have to start an entire recipe from the beginning. You can just start and skip the process. So the simple process is don't place the lid on because anyways the machine is going to give you an error. Just again now I'll just wait for the recipe to come up. Yeah, so now it's been, so the machine is asking that would you like to resume your unfinished recipe. You just simply have to press yes and you are again back on the same page. But this is when the machine is resuming within a minute. If not, for example, if there is a difference of around 1 or 2 hours, what you can do is you just have to press OK and on the right hand side of the screen there is a skip option. So you just have to skip and press OK until you have reached the step which you have left from. So now
when the lid is new, you will face this issue. You just have to click those two buttons towards your left and right and you just have to press this. Again you have to click start and the recipe will start to connect again.
So also all the parts which you are seeing, like which in the the black material which you are seeing on the jar, as well as there are steamer baskets which are made up of the material, these are ABS plastic. It is not a normal plastic, it is a food graded plastic. It is a safe way to, for example, now steaming baskets are used for steaming the products which you want to steam. For example, now you have a numerous things to steam in one go, like you have momos to steam or you have vegetables to steam and you don't want to waste your time, just keep the steaming tray on top. There are 2 trays which are been provided. So there is a difference between tray and a basket. So steaming basket is the basket which goes inside the jar, the smaller basket, and the steaming trays which goes on top of the machine. So there is a difference where you will find some recipes might show keep steaming trays on top. So steaming trays are the bigger trays and some recipes might suggest strainer basket or steamer basket, which means the smaller basket which goes inside the jar, which act as a steaming basket. Also it can be used as a strainer to strain rice or to strain any kind of vegetables which you are cooking inside the jar. So now the machine is asking me to add 30 grams of ghee to the cooking jar. I'll just press stir and then I'll just add the melted ghee. So no need to, in between, no need to open the jar, an option to put all the ingredients from the top, until and unless there are some products which cannot be added from the top. At that time you can just simply open the lid.
So for Mysore Pak you have to add melted ghee in intervals. So I have already added the first 30 grams of ghee in it. So Mysore Pak में 3 इंटरवल्स में आपको घी डालना है। तो मैंने पहले 30 ग्राम्स ऑलरेडी घी जार में डाल दिया है एंड अगेन 30 ग्राम्स हमें इसमें घी डालना है, यानी कि टोटल 90 ग्राम्स ऑफ मेल्टेड घी इस जार में जाएगा इस मैसूर पाक के लिए।
So the total recipe has mentioned around 380 grams, जिसमें आपका 260 ग्राम्स, आई थिंक 260 ग्राम्स, यस 260 ग्राम्स हमने पहले डाला है, फिर हमने इसमें 30 जैसे 90 ग्राम्स, सो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 350 ग्राम्स हमने इसमें डाला है। बट जो रेसिपी में हमने 380 मेंशन किया है, सो द डिफरेंस ऑफ 30 ग्राम्स इज़, आप अगर सेकेंड लास्ट स्टेप अगर देखोगे तो उसमें कहा गया है कि 1 to 2 टेबल स्पून आप को डालना है वंस आपने जब मैसूर पाक आप जब सेट करने रखते हो तब उसमें टॉप में डालना है। तो आप इवन इफ रेसिपी में 380 ग्राम्स मेंशन किया है, आपको अगर लगता है बेसन ज़्यादा हो गया है, यू कैन रिड्यूस अप टू 300 ग्राम्स। सो इट्स नॉट कंपलसरी कि हमने जो मेजरमेंट दिया है वही आपको डालना है। से अगर आपके पास आपको मैसूर पाक बनाना है, आपके घर में सिर्फ 300 ग्राम्स अवेलेबल है, आपके पास 80 ग्राम्स या 320 अवेलेबल है, आगे की क्वांटिटी नहीं अवेलेबल है, इट डजेंट मैटर, इट्स अप टू यू। इवन इफ हमने रेसिपी मेजरमेंट्स दिए हैं, ऑल्टरेशन इज योर पार्ट, you can always do that. And for example any recipe, जैसे take an example of पनीर भुर्जी, अगर कोई लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट है, आपको सब्सटीट्यूट करना है एनी इंग्रेडिएंट से, आपको पनीर को टोफू से सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, यू कैन एब्सोल्युटली डू दैट until and unless the main ingredient has a substitute, like paneer has a substitute of tofu, so you can switch that. Until and unless the main ingredient is, like the ingredient is not main ingredient, you can alter salt quantity, you can alter the spice level of the recipe and the consistency of water. So these three are the variables, like sugar or salt or spice level and the consistency of the gravy or anything which you are making. सो ये जो 4 चीज़ें हैं ये वेरिएबल है, मतलब ये पर्सन टू पर्सन डिफर करता है। इवन इफ द रेसिपी सेज 1 टीस्पून, आपको लग रहा है कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा है तो यू कैन ऐड हाफ टी स्पून, बिकॉज सॉल्ट अगर कम है तो इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। कभी कभी ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो दैट बिकम्स अ डिफ़िकल्टी, बिकॉज सबका जो टेस्ट लेवल है बैलेंस करने का, जैसे सॉल्ट हो गया, शुगर लेवल हो गया या स्पाइस लेवल हो गया, सो इट डिपेंड्स। तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन एडजस्ट, एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड इन द ingredient list that we always mention it, salt to taste, green chilies हो गया तो spice level as per the taste, so आप वैसे आप मैनेज कर सकते हो। यस, सो हमने इसमें बेसन डालना है अभी, सॉरी घी डालना है। ओके,
सो ये दूसरी बार है, यानी कि सेकेंड इंटरवल में हम 30 ग्राम्स और घी डालेंगे। घी का लेवल आप 380 से 300 ग्राम्स के अंदर अपने फूड टेस्ट बड के हिसाब से आप कर सकते हैं।
सो यूजुअली मैसूर पाक या बासुंदी ये ऐसी रेसिपी है, ये बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है। इवन गाजर हलवा ये रेसिपी ऐसी है जो कुकिंग करते टाइम हमें ईजीली 1 hour 1.5 hour लग जाता है, बिकॉज अगर आप बासुंदी बना रहे हो तो यू आर ऑक्यूपाइड दैट देयर स्टरिंग द मिल्क, बिकॉज मिल्क अगर नीचे लग गया तो फिर वो एक बर्न्ड फ्लेवर आ जाता है। सो जो आप कुकिंग कर रहे हो उसमें आपका 100% टाइम इन्वेस्टेड है। whereas we have गाजर हलवा रेसिपी, we have बासुंदी रेसिपी, then this मैसूर पाक रेसिपी, lots of people उनका हेजिटेंट हो जाते हैं मेकिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ रेसिपीज़, बिकॉज फर्स्ट वो एक तो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, सेकेंड ये रेसिपीज़ ऐसी है कि अगर आप बना रहे हो कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई देन यू हैव टू डिस्कार्ड एन एंटायर बैच, बट इन दिस इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड दिस रेसिपी। तो आप जो है आप ये ब्लाइंडली यू कैन जस्ट ट्रस्ट दिस रेसिपी, एंड मेन पार्ट इज गाजर हलवा। सो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम ग्रेटिंग द कैरेट टिल सॉटिंग द कैरेट, फिर लास्ट में आपको मिल्क डाल के फिर वो मिल्क रिड्यूस करना है। बट ये सारी चीज़ें मशीन में 1 टाइम में हो रही है, तो आपको बस कैरेट्स को चंक्स में कट करना है, आपको उसके अंदर डालना है, ग्रेटिंग जो है वो मशीन करेगा. ग्रेटिंग एज इन इसमें मल्टी फंक्शन ब्लेड यूज़ होता है. तो ये जो है ये चॉपिंग करेगा, बट जो साइज रहेगा कैरेट्स का जैसे हम ग्रेट करते हैं वैसे ही होगा. सो जो आप ग्रेटिंग कर रहे हो इसमें कर रहे हो, मिल्क रिडक्शन हो रहा है इसमें हो रहा है, जो कैरेट सौते हो रहा है वो इसमें हो रहा है. सो सारी चीज़ें इसमें हो रही है. एंटायर रेसिपी अराउंड इज 1 hour 20 minutes. बट आपका जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट है ये रेसिपी में इज अराउंड नॉट मोर देन 5 minutes. 5 minutes क्यों? बिकॉज जब भी आपको कुछ अंदर डालना है या फिर स्क्रैप करना है आपका उतना ही इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा इसमें. सो नाउ वी विल जस्ट ऐड again 30 grams of melted ghee to it.
So this is the third time we are adding around 30 grams of melted ghee.
Okay, so I'll just press OK. So it's around 2 minutes process. There was one customer from US, again taking an example of paneer bhurji. So as you know that in India we usually get onions of a smaller size, बट जो USA में अनियंस मिलते हैं या टोमेटोज़ रहते हैं वो एक्चुअल में इनटू 3 times, जैसे हमारे 3 अनियंस का जो क्वांटिटी रहेगा उनका 1 अनियन का क्वांटिटी रहेगा. सो यूजुअली देयर वाज अ कस्टमर, जैसे हमने बहुत सारी रेसिपीज़ में लिखा है वाटर क्वांटिटी ऐड करना है, बट वो जब पनीर भुर्जी बना रहे थे तब उन्होंने जब टोमेटो ऐड किया, टोमेटो में इतना वाटर कंटेंट था कि उन्हें एक्स्ट्रा पानी डालने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आप जब भी कुकिंग कर रहे हो, बिकॉज ये जो लिड है जो आपको ट्रांसपेरेंट लिड दिया है, इट इज़ फॉर दैट पर्पज़ ओनली कि आप अंदर देख सको मशीन के अंदर. इफ़ यू फील कुछ अंदर जल रहा है यू कैन सिंपली ओपन. नाउ आई विल जस्ट शो इट टू यू वन मोर थिंग. इफ़ आई एम simply opening the lid, the machine again has given an error. So it's kind of a safe machine where if you have children around you, then also if something happens wrong you can just simply open the lid, or whatever you are trying to do you can just simply open the machine, let the machine pause, and then again if you feel, then I'll just simply again attach it and just start it. The next step is empty the jar. So now the process is done. I'll just add 1 to 2 tablespoon of ghee once I'll keep the Mysore pak. So as you can see, like the setting of the Mysore pak has already started. Okay. So now we'll just add.
So we are using a aluminium baking tray. You can use any plate or something, whatever is available at your home.
So this is the consistency which you can see. It's not too liquidy and it's not too solid, and yet the recipe is only of 18 minutes. So yes, you can just easily make the recipe whenever it's required.
So this is the perfect recipe whenever your guest or party or any festivals you have at home. So as you can see, so we'll just flatten it up a little. Anyone having queries regarding this recipe or any other recipes?
Once this is cooked in the chef packet, is it necessary that we put in the oven for baking or something?
No sir, it's not for baking. It's for the Mysore pak to hold the shape.
Perfect
yes
shape.
So now what we have done is we have placed the Mysore pak.
So we have just put in the baking dish to hold the shape of the barfi.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is not going to be baked again. It is just for setting the Mysore pak.
So that it comes to a room temperature before you have it.
Got it.
Yeah, so now 1 tablespoon is around 15 grams. So 1 to 2 tablespoon depends upon the flavor which you want, or depends upon the ghee you want in the recipe. As the name says, it is a ghee Mysore pak. So the more the ghee, it will more give you the flavor. Yeah. So now Mysore pak is ready. So you have to keep it for around 2 to 3 hours for it to cool down and to hold the structure. Once it's cooled down, you can just cut it into desired shape, and you can garnish it with the saffron or the slivered almonds or any kind of nuts which you are willing to do. And then this can be stored, no need to store it in the refrigerator because we have not used any kind of milk in it. Yes, milk powder is there, but the shelf life is long. You can just store it in an airtight container, and this can be, you can have it whenever you want. So the recipe is done. The question and answers, we feel that if someone has question and answers, can just go through it. And if you feel that once the demo is done and later on, so now this might happen that right now you don't have any queries, but once the demo is done, you might feel that yes, this would have been asked. So you can directly connect to the customer service team and you can book a demo slot if you have not taken it, or if you have not done a demo with us yet. You can just book an appointment and we will always be there to help you out.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.